What's up, YouTube? What's up, Extreme Gains family? I'm Chuck. This is Extreme Gains. I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I say is or ever will be financial advice. Please do not take it as such. Today is TGIFF, Friday, April 22nd, 2022. And this is the BEER30 weekly wind down. Stock market live stream. How's everybody doing? What's up, what's up, what's up? Happy Friday, happy Friday. I hope everybody has had a good day in the market today and had a good evening last night, a good morning today, all that good stuff. All right, let me get my brain wrapped around everything. Are we live here in Twitch? Hey, Twitch, what's happening? YouTube's live. All right, I already tweeted out the live stream. I see a bunch of y'all already jumping on it. I appreciate, well, a couple y'all are. I appreciate the couple retweets. I went ahead and tweeted out the live stream on Twitter. So if you feel inclined to do so and you want to retweet that, I would appreciate it. That would be great. Stefani, how are you doing? Good afternoon, John. All right, let's see who else is in here. Samuel, what's up, man? Peter, what's up? David, what's up? Andy, what's up? Mrs. Box Tops, what's up? Ian, what's up? Jute, what's up? Jay, what's up, YouTube? Samuel, I got you. Iowa, how are you doing? Logan, what's up? Jay, what's up? Coben, what's up? Chief, what's happening, brother? Who else we got? Satari, what's happening, brother? Tavio, what's up? Sungrown, what's happening? All right, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well. Doing well. All right, so we got that twitching nicely. All right, let's go. We're live. All right, let's go. Thank you, Jay. What do I got going on here? Discord. What's going on in Discord? Yeah, Jay. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I know I hyperextended it a little bit. I'm waiting to see here. We could be right here right now. So if we do, I'll just pull this back in, but if I pull it back into 1600, where does it take me? Right there. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. Little nuanced right there, but yeah. All right, well, we'll let it fly here and see what's going on. I'll adjust as I need to adjust and go from there. Who else got me here? Gabe, hang on real quick, Gabe. I'm going to do a rundown real fast, all right? What's going on here? When I created a new email for the premium until now, I cannot comment. Yeah, Brando Mar, your email for premium Discord doesn't have anything to do with YouTube, brother. So I don't know what the heck that's about, man. We got the chat open though, bro. Everybody's in chat as well, I believe. Yeah, everybody's still hanging out in chat as well too. So no worries. All right, who else we got real quick? David, what's up, brother? Coben, what's up? Devin, what's happening? Walker, what's happening? All right, let me turn this down and I'll do a little run around real quick with y'all, and then we'll hang out, kick back. So let me turn this shiznit down. Oh, I gotta leave Twitch up there. All right, AMC. This morning in premium, we were looking at whether or not this next one was going to be, if you watched the video last night, was going to be a mirror or what. And the mirror clip was here, and it started to fulfill this morning just how I thought it was going to. Just like that. So when this morning started off, it started fulfilling the mirrored one, and obviously, boom, diversion down. As soon as it diverted, I knew that it wasn't the mirrored version of it. It was the straight up clip of it again. So this is a straight up clip from yesterday. Just like yesterday was a straight up clip from Wednesday. So I went ahead and changed that there for the sequencing, put it on here like such, and it has since been pretty freaking good to me here today. So that's the straight up version of the daily clip that I showed y'all in the video last night, that I am trying to figure out, and sequencing, back testing, and trying to get this thing straight. I did go back a little bit more. The initial order in which I thought they were going to be in is not the order that they're in. It looks like so far, I got back, I have 2 straights here, 2 straights here, and then alternating straights between flipped, mirror flip, mirror flip. So straight, right now, this is what it looks like. Straight, straight, flipped, straight, mirror, flipped, straight, mirror, flipped, straight, straight. So I'm thinking straight, straight, flipped, straight, mirror, flipped, straight, mirror, flipped, straight, straight, flipped, straight, mirror, flipped, straight, mirror, flipped. So at least that's how it's looking right now. I'm going to continue to go back over the weekend and work on it a little bit and see what I can come up with, and get this thing sequenced and get it, see if there's a pattern in it at all. There may not be, but right now it looks, but again, last night it looked like it was going to be that simple one, and I knew better, which is why I had question marks beside where it said mirror right here. I said, is it going to be the next one? I don't know. You know, it turned out mirror was not the next one, and today it looks like straight was the next one. So that's where I am at with that. SPY. Let me go macro comparative. AMC first. AMC macro comparative. I literally showed this early in the week that I thought this right here would potentially invert like this, and that is exactly what has happened. This has inverted this downside bottom move. So what I'm looking for, I thought the first thing is I was looking for a bounce off 1665 potentially, and then this upside move, and it would converge back with that. It didn't get that. It breached that to the downside. So now, really, it's anyone's game at this point. It could bounce somewhere down here and go, or it could just converge right back up in with this and then go and skip this altogether. So that's what I'm waiting to see what happens here. We'll see. I do have the box top descending third which is the red one here. We were just looking at it in premium before I came out here on the live stream. It is right here. Hit. W started to get put in. Neckline broke. Straight line like I talked about. Straight line back down to it. Bang. Hit again. So now I would expect it to start a bounce at some point here, and then it start pulling away and try to get up out of here. And then if it fails, another straight line back down to it. So that's what I'm looking at currently with box top when it comes to the descending portion of it with AMC. GME, these snakes got all messed up. My trading view did anybody else's trading view get all messed up like mine? Not in my Discord. Anybody that's not in my Discord or Discords? All right, the macro comparative is the green that's been on here. So far so good. It is starting to look a little diverted to the downside, but I'm still okay with this for the time being. Something around this area. I'm still all right with that like that. It did overshoot it a little bit, but no worries. It undershot it here. I'm okay with it there as long as it gets a bounce here in the near future. The snake that I had on here throughout this entire week is this one here. And it's still good as well for the time being. There it is right there. And I've done the same thing here with a descending third pull from box top. And as you can see, it hit, started building out, failed, straight line down, hit, started building out, failed, straight line down, and it looks like almost a hit here. So the functionality of box top is working out perfectly with both of these charts. That's what I'm looking at for GME, potentially continuation. I'd like to see it get a bounce here. If they go heavy downside here, just so you know, a long while back, I drew this in. I had framed this in and talked about the macro double being put in potentially here. And this is where we're at right here. So if this were to continue to go heavy downside and we come back down into this framed in potential double bottom, that would then make up this macro double rather than a continuation to upside in any way. That's what that is there for. We'll start talking about that when and if that happens. SPY, just like GME, SPY has been absolutely spot on, dead on. The snake, let me go to the 1 hour. Let me turn it back to yellow. The snake is the yellow. It's been leading for 3 whole weeks. 15 projecting and fulfilling. 15 sessions. Let me move the macro comparative up. There you go. 15 sessions that thing has been projecting and fulfilling. It indicated this rejection that I had in there earlier in the week. It rejected down out. There we are. So indication from it obviously is a bounce here at some point. Potentially back up to the 433. Some consolidation, volatility. Looks like a macro W being put in. However, as you know, we can divert from the snake anytime, and we've been in this one 3 weeks, 3 whole weeks. 15 days this thing has projected and fulfilled. So the macro comparative is very, very similar. And that's the red. Very, very similar. Continuation downside as a generalized perspective of macro movements. However, again, same thing, a bounce, some consolidation throughout here. It does stay consolidating throughout this zone here. What looks to be roughly between 426 and 440 would be the consolidation zone for that next generalized perspective of the macro movement. And that is AMC, GME, and SPY currently. There we go. There we go. To a T. To a T. Following to a T. To a T. To a T. To a T. Crazy, right, y'all? Crazy. What are y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Crazy. Crazy for feeling so lonely. Thanks, Chuck. Caught the downside when you flipped it this morning. Quick $400. Let's go, smoke blowing moon boy. Let's go, bro. Congrats, man. You ready for that beer, Corey? Get it, man. Get it. Get it. Is DWAC still following? It's Fractal. Well, no, DWAC, this one here, we had it up here, right? Because it's been a repetitive thing. It's this fractal right here. Consolidation, the curl over, the drop down, the W, and then the move up. This is the bullish one. It did it here. Consolidation, curl over, breakdown, W, and then it went bearish again. We had this up here at one point. Then it went bearish. And then I got the bearish one here. But I had the bullish one on here thinking that potentially we would get a bounce off of the megaphone support and go bullish on this one. But we rolled it back over to the downside. So, I mean, anything's possible. But if I do the exact same thing, that would indicate that this thing's got a lot more downside coming. If it's going to play this fractal out in its entirety right there. Right? It would still have some more downside. So we'll see. We'll see if it continues to reject up here where it's at. And then takes that next leg down. But that's what it would look like if it were to fulfill this fractal all over again. At least down into the W. If it would fulfill it down into the W. My scalp ideas absolutely smacked again today. I can't even believe this. The 435s are just, I mean, 550. All right, and I got that. 550%. 550% on SPY puts today. I didn't get it, but I had it as a scalp idea, but 550%. Hey Nick, I'm with you, brother. I did the same thing, bro. I had a bunch of puts this morning on SPY. I caught them at the perfect time. Everything was perfect, bro. And I took profit. I just sold. I said, you know, I move quick. I have to. So I just took it. Was like, well, I'm taking it. And then this happened. I did the exact same thing yesterday. Same thing, man. Same thing. Hey, green is green though, right, brother? Flashbacks of my mom singing Patsy Cline on 8-track. Yep. Crazy, crazy for me. Shorted SPY, 1,500 gains. Later, have a nice weekend. Don't even know who you are, but you spelled gains wrong. See you later. Have a nice weekend. I don't know, Trey. I have no idea. Oh, you mean on the macro comparative? Is that what you're referring to? May 16th, May 17th, May 18th. In this position? Roughly? Ish? Caught at the perfect time and took hella profits, but hindsight. Well, me too, bro. Exact same thing. A couple other people in my Discord, they said they did the same thing too. Yep. Marlon started a run. 435s, 550%. Holy chuck enormous. Yeah. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Yeah, I can check NVIDIA. I replaced, same thing with NVIDIA. Everything, all these fractals had to be replaced because they went another leg down. So I reevaluated the fractal for NVIDIA, and I put it where I think for now it belongs, and that's right here. The bottom is getting put in here. Eventually it'll get this little short-term bounce. And this is macro, by the way, 4-hour chart. But that's what it looks like on the 1 hour. Something like that, potentially. Again, nothing I say on here ever is or ever will be financial advice. Please don't take it that way. It's just showing you what I look at. Macro comparatives, charts, whatever, blah, 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 blah. It's the way I see the market through my eyes. So nothing ever is to be taken that way. So please don't. NVIDIA's puts have now hit the 195s. 54, 25, 30 NVIDIA. This shirt, every time I wear this shirt, man. All right, let me swing through these real quick, y'all. Let me make sure I'm caught up. Yep. AMD just bounced off the downside trigger. DraftKings, continuation downside. Second price target hit, finally. First and second hit on DraftKings. Put side. That was second entry on the 14s. All right, PLTR. Same thing, PLTR. I missed this whole thing on PLTR. PLTR just went right down with AMC and everything. First and second price target hit. Another winner chicken dinner. On the $12. PLTR. 85.90. DWAC still range bound. NVIDIA, I just got Piton. Piton 60, 30, 60. Piton was 90. Uber, same thing. Oh, that was 2 entries. That was The first one was 25%, and then the second entry, second entry off the downside trigger for Uber. All right, I'm caught up. GME, what are you doing? Playing game? Yep. Hey, if you haven't already, I'd appreciate if y'all would smash the like button. We got 148 people, 145 people in here, and 9 people on Twitch. Probably about what's that? 140, 150, 150 people total. What's up, Josh? How you doing, brother? Oh, we got 145, 146 people and 88 likes. I like 88 of y'all too. I like 88 of y'all too. So how'd everybody else do trading today? Outside of my Discord, real quick. No, you're all good, Apparition. I appreciate you smashing the like button, brother. Thank you. You see 41 likes? Yeah, I got 102 on my end now is what I'm seeing. Appreciate y'all, man. Thank you. Made some money on the SPY puts. Congrats, Jason. Congrats, brother. Dude, I don't even know what MOASS is, man. MOASS is whatever you think it is. You know what I'm saying? I don't necessarily even know what MOASS is. All I know is MOASS is supposedly something that we have never seen before. A squeeze so big that the market's never seen anything like it. Quite honestly, I never thought it was going to happen to begin with. I'm not a big believer in this thing called MOASS. The mother of all short squeezes. I don't think they're going to ever I don't think the higher ups and the powers that be would ever let something like that happen to the extravagant, crazy numbers that people have dreamed up throughout this thing. In my opinion, I've never believed in those crazy numbers. I just don't. I don't think that they're going to sit back and try to figure out how to justify to the public AMC theater stock price at whatever $250,000 a share. I don't see that happening. I don't know if it's going to happen. With that being said, that's just my personal feelings and thoughts on it. Could I be absolutely wrong? Yes, I could be. And could they just say fuck it and let it run? Yes, they could. But I just don't think that's I don't think that's something that they're going to allow to happen to that extent, in my opinion. I'll tell you what, Ju, you obviously don't know much about me. You wouldn't have even asked that, and you definitely wouldn't have asked it twice. I saw it the first time. I didn't answer it purposely. But since you asked again, I thought I would answer it again here for you. That way I don't have to see it again. But I fell hard into the ape movement and MOASS narrative, which is what brought me almost to my knees financially. And I realized very quickly after a bunch of people that I, at the time, was following, made a shit ton of money playing options, for all I know, swinging their shares, selling at $70. And I was bought into the whole, fuck that, I'm holding my shit, they're going to have to pry these from my dead hands type of mindset. And the only place that got me was almost to the point where I lost all my fucking money. I sat here and didn't learn anything because they weren't teaching me a fucking thing. So I decided when all that happened that enough was enough. I was going to take control of this situation and take control of my money and not allow some yoo-hoo fucking kid who's 20 years younger than me try to tell me how this thing's going to play out. Fuck that. I'm going to figure this shit out myself and figure out a way to make money, because I'm tired. I was tired at the time of sitting there just allowing my money to sit in this account and watch it go up and down and up and down and up and down 100 times that I could have taken profits and could have doubled up, tripled up, quadrupled, and taken money out and had money, and all kinds of shit went through my head. So that whole narrative, bro, is not, it has nothing to do with me or Extreme Gains. Do I believe that AMC and GME could squeeze again? Yes, I do. This MOASS thing, everybody, if MOASS was a known thing, Jude, everybody would know what it was. There wouldn't be a million different scenarios as to how it could happen, what price it may go to, but which are things nobody knows anyways, but everybody tries to articulate what they think it'll be. I don't live in the what if realm of life. I live in the here, the now, and the reality. And the here and the now and the reality is I have created a life and a financial direction for myself, and I have decided to share that with everybody on these social platforms. So that's where I'm at, my friend. But you don't have to apologize. It's all good. Got wrecked. Damn, Corey. Sorry to hear that, brother. Made it super quick 65. Good deal, Dan. Congrats, man. Didn't trade today. No, let's call the money about earlier in the week. Taking a vacation week. Sometimes a step back, bro, is like everything. So make the rules we just play about. Yep, Masad, you got it, brother. Literally hit me yesterday at work. That it makes sense. They take out orders and plot the best way to handle them and play out the market daily or something. Yeah, trader, I've been literally saying, yeah, dude, I've been saying that, a form of that, forever on this channel. That's my belief as well, my friend. Something similar. What's up, Sammy? Thank you. From Germany. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I got scared and sold most of my puts at 3%. Only made 40 bucks. Damn, apparition. Hey, 40 bucks is better than no bucks. You know what I mean? Damn near imploded your portfolio today. Damn. That sucks. Been holding AMC for a year and I no longer say MOASS. Yes, sir, Dan. That's how I am. Jay says there is no MOASS. I was sold that at 2 at first. Follow Chuck and you will learn. Thank you, Jay. MOASS is when my girl does squats in the gym. Yep, she gets that MOASS. She says, you ain't getting no MOASS. GME won't be allowed to happen again, in my opinion. Word, appreciate your opinion. You're welcome, Jude. Made some money on SPY and AMC puts. Thankful for showing us the AMC Algo pools you have been looking at. Absolutely, I'm paying. Congrats, man. MOASS for yo ass. MOASS this weekend at the club. Mother of all shit sticks. I want CMC run to 50. Ignore him the first time too. That's what I did. I have lost all my money over it. Yep, a lot of people, apparition. A lot of people have, man. I just, I got to the point. I didn't lose all mine, thank God. I saw it before that. I got smart quicker than before that happened to me, thank God. And I saved my own ass by waking up to, whoa, wait a minute. What the fuck? As soon as I saw and found out that dudes were making money and trading and fucking, oh my lord. Am I tripping right now? The SPY. Oh my gosh, they're up 700 and something percent now. The SPY puts. They're flashing up to 1200. Oh my lord, dude. Wow, dude, I shot myself in the foot so bad today. 800%. Oh my gosh, dude. 800% on SPY puts today. On my SPY put levels, right here they are. Right here, 436, break to the downside, go. First price target, second price target. Look at this shit. Wow, man. Wow. Anyways, yeah, bro, I did the same thing. I just, enough was enough, you know what I mean? Yeah, Flacco. Yeah, a lot of them do, bro. I mean, it's not just him specifically. A lot of them do. That's what they do. I mean, well said, brother. Appreciate it. Thanks, Jew. Appreciate you, man. What's up, Robert? What's up, ex-family? Checking in on lunch break. Chuck, the mad scientist. Thank you for your time. Seeing your mirror flip and dip and any other wacko things these guys are pulling. Beer me. Hell yeah, brother. Pretty crazy, right? SPY puts the last 2 days. I've sold 30% because I went to play golf and then market. Yeah, Bogey. Yep. You and me both, bro. I've had them the last 2 days myself. Sold early, took profits so I didn't lose them, and then this happens. The 430s are 1200. Yeah, I know. I'm looking at them right now. Look, I was looking at them. The 433s were 1200% just a minute ago before that bounce right there. Chuck the goat. Thanks, Flacco. That 5-minute clip from AMC today overlays perfectly on SPY as well. Yeah, they all do, Chief. You could go around most of them. DraftKings, Nvidia, they all look the same because they're all following the same dump. It's a market sell-off, quote unquote, right? It's a market sell-off. So they all are the Qs, all of them. There'll be a couple that are a little bit different, but yeah, they all are, brother. Let's go, Koss. Good deal, brother. I don't have another target on it, to be honest with you. I can put one on there, though. Right now. It's at it right now. It's literally sitting on top of it right now. 428. I would have had it up a little bit higher than where it's at right now. Probably 428.25 is where I would have it. It's literally sitting there right now. Yep, I ought to put it right there. I'll put another one in here in case it keeps going down. There's my next one. 427.89 after that. So right now at 427.89. I brought it down a little bit. I would have had it up here at 428.30 is where I would have had it. And then 426.27 is my next one. Somewhere in there like that. I got SPY calls next Wednesday, 4:33, thinking for a bounce, and I'm getting killed. I'm sure you are getting killed. I'm sure you are. Man, I need a week next week. I'm currently getting kicked while down on the ground. Damn, bro. Gotta get up. Gotta get up. No choice. No choice. Have to. Just, that's what I tell myself. Chuck, I've been trained to do the opposite of what other YouTubers say. Yes, sir. The Fed did say the market would have to see pain to rein inflation in. Oh, of course. Of course. Of course, of course. They were setting this up all week, y'all. I don't know if you guys and gals got to see like the Wall Street Journal and all those mainstream media outlets. They were talking about the market dumping again early in the week on Monday, Tuesday, and then bang, you started seeing it. They were literally telling everybody what was going to happen. No problem, Andre. Take a bunch of pre-workout before pre-market, 20 ounces of 5-hour energy, and I listen till I classify them. Thanks, brother. No problem, Andre. That's funny, bro. That's funny. So that's it. That's all the gains. The only people that spoke up, those are the only gains that we have today. I'm going to make a cappuccino real quick. I thought everybody would be, like freaking out like they made all this money on the puts, on the put side. Talking about all this downside shit. Cappuccino. Emmy loves cappuccino. Yes, she does. Let's go. Sold SPY puts early, 50% gain only. 50% gain's huge, bro. Congratulations, man. I mean, obviously comparing it to what it could have been is one thing, but I took less than that, M-Pen. I took less than that. I took less than 50%. I think I'm finally ready to get on my first options trade next week. Applied for level 2 on Fidelity. Maybe Weeble better for options. Weeble's definitely better for options. I don't know, but I'm ready. Just cleared 1,300. Hope I bang it out with that. Let's go, Julian. Good luck, man. Are you in my Discord, Julian? Sold covered calls as well. Let's go, Koss. Made 500 on puts yesterday. Would have made 28 if I held today. Yep. Bought back in this morning and still riding. Let's go, Andre. Congrats, brother. I'm the same way, bro. I cannot hold overnight anymore. I can't do it. I can't do it. I cannot do it, brother. Oh, of course, Julian. Yeah, no worries, man. I couldn't remember if you were or you weren't. Hell yeah, Andre. Hell yeah, bro. So I've had on my scalps, my scalp ideas this week. Yesterday was insane. Yesterday I had a 200, a 32, a 227, a 250, a 120, a 100, a 100, a 260, a 125, another 260, and an 830% yesterday. Yesterday. Just yesterday. All of those. Like fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different over 100%. That's like a fucking squeeze. 12 of them yesterday. 830%. Now again today, my SPY put idea is up 800%. So there's another 800% today. And then I have 1, 2, 3 over 100% is what? 4 over 100% today as well, on top of the 800%. And then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 100. 2 of those 5 over 150% on Wednesday, and a 325% and a 200% on Wednesday. On Tuesday, had another 300%er, a 200%er, a 225, a 150. I mean, dude, this shit's crazy. It's every day. This shit happens every day. Listen, y'all. These squeezes happen every day. They happen every day. I agree, Jeffrey. I agree, brother. Not only that, man, I just don't trust it. I don't trust my money in the market. AZ, what are you talking about? You talking about getting in Discord? Is that a settled cash? I'm frustrated with Fidelity. Turnaround time. Fidelity sucks. They all suck. They all fucking suck. Every one of them do. They're all shitty. I'm learning that these big gains are out there every day. Yeah, Bogue. Every day, bro. Every day. Mac, I post my scalp ideas 1 day a week in general. 1 day a week. And I don't talk about them. I don't go over them. In my premium, we have a morning look at the SPY, dude. We have a morning powwow every morning where I go over my setups, my levels, my triggers, my price targets. I have scalp schematics. It's an rules-based entry system that I use, that I've created, and that I have schematics for. There's all kinds of support and in the form of informative stuff in there that goes along with it. But in general, I post them 1 day a week. Andre, SPY is all I scalp anymore, bro. That's the only thing I fuck with at all. I don't touch anything else. Just SPY. Dude, these are up 1,000% now. These 435s are up 1,000%. 1,000 fucking percent on SPY puts today. And I sold way the fuck up here at my price target. Damn it, Jim. 1,000 bro. $1,100. Almost 1,100. 1,000%. Over 1,000. I'm just gonna write it down as 1,000 for now, but holy nuts, man. Holy man. Entry, Jenny. Entry from my entry. Entry to max profit from entry. And Jenny, unless like there's gonna every now and then I'll like miss one because I'm doing a million things, and if I miss one and I don't get to, I'll see what it is from open, which is normally from close until max, and then I'll deduct and make and do the best I can mathematically to get it as close as I can, but it's always from entry. Yeah, this has been one of my as a coach go. I can still trade it. They do seem taking action. Yeah. Thanks, checking, man. No problem, Mac. In on the baby scalp ideas. Again, AZ, obvious for obvious reasons. And it's in there, and I even tell you can ask my Discord. I tell them it's literally in the disclaimer. My scalp ideas are not the intention of them, or for you all to play on them. I can't legally say, hey, these are the this is what you should play today, and blah blah blah. None of that goes on. It's just me sharing my ideas with you. It's information. It's for informative and general educational purposes. That's it. You do what you want with it. Yeah, I'm not gonna have a conversation about. But if you're interested in the Discord, that's different. You know what I mean? And all of the information in there and the private community that's in there, things like that. I mean, that's what it's about. But there are disclaimers. I'm upfront with it. I don't speak any different in there than I do out here with anybody, and everybody will vouch that. I mind my P's and Q's. I got to keep it from crossing that line at all times. And oh my gosh, these are up 1,300 fucking percent. How like. That little move goes up 200 fucking percent. Like, this is wild as shit, bro. This is wild as shit, man. But yeah, just so where you have an understanding, you know what I mean? Yeah, Jeff. Yep. And just the fuckery, alone is enough. The fuckery alone's enough, bro. I can't do it. I don't trust anything in the market to put my money in there. I can't. Today's snake is fire. Yeah. It really is, bro. It really, really is. It really, really is. AZ depends. I have two tiers. I have a general tier and a premium tier. Premium tier requires you to verify your identity through a vetting process. And to do that, that's the more expensive one as well. And that is, that's where the most people are. General is a good place though too. General, I just started, but general, you don't have to go through vetting or do any of that. You don't have to verify identity, just sign up. If you want general, the link to that is in the description of the live stream or on the about tab of the YouTube channel. If you're wanting to go premium, then I need you to send me an email. My email is again in the description of the live stream here or in the about tab on the YouTube channel. You can send me an email. Let me know you're ready you want to get in premium and you want to go through the vetting process, and I'll send you the first document. I got to leave a paper trail of the request and then you sending them back and blah, 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 blah. The turnaround time's normally about a day, about 24 hours from the time you send me your documents. I'll have them approved and send you back a link. You'll be able to sign up. You'll be able to take that link, click on it, go pay, sign up, and you'll be in as soon as you do that. But that's what that's the process for premium. And there is no public link. It's a private link for that reason. Swift, I go over my scalp setup. So here's what I do. Look, I'll give you all a quick glance at what I do. Every morning I post my ideas in here of what I'm looking at. And then every morning we have a powwow. And in that powwow, I go over all of those ideas and my setups, my triggers, my price targets on every one of them that I am looking to play for that day. And I share that information with you all. And I go over all of them. I talk about my charting on them. I talk about the price level, the trigger level, the price targets, why I'm thinking that, where I'm, blah, 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 blah. I go over that every single morning. We have a 1 hour powwow every single morning, pre-market powwow before market open every single day. Every single day. And I go over all that. And then I have Algo channels where I go over swing trade ideas that I'm thinking about, or box top setups, or and then we go over the snakes and the macro comparatives, and for all the other different tickers. We're covering 10 different tickers right now in premium that we look at, 10 plus. We actually, today I went over, I think 15 different tickers that I have charted, that I talk about in depth, and we go over the charting, the box top setups, and then there's box top channel in there with my box top schematics that you get access to, my scalp rules-based entry system schematics that you get access to see those. I literally, coming into premium, you have 100% full access to every little thing I have to offer. And that is from just what I do personally and what I use and what I have used in the past. I share all of that insight with you in there. And then there's the community. Then we have a bunch. I don't even know what the number is in there right now. We have a huge community, very active, very willing to help, very caring, very empathetic. Everybody pitches in. Everybody helps each other out. We ask questions, we answer questions, we talk to each other. We have a video channel. I do private live streams in there 2 days a week, plus a half a day on Friday, where we trade, live trading, and so yeah, that's premium. It's a lot. There's a lot going on in premium, bro. Premium literally is, I'll let everybody else tell you if they want to tell you. If you want to ask more questions, they can tell you, but I wanted you to know that it's way more than just VJ, I got it, brother. Yep, I got your email, man. I will get that out to you, bro. All right, Funk, be safe, brother. Have a good weekend. All right, Jenny, no worries. Be happy to have you, for sure. All right, trader. Yep. Yep, Jay says, I vouch, no hand holding, nothing changes. Yep. Alright. The good faith. Thank you. You're welcome, AZ. The community is the best part. Love you too, Chuck. Okay. To each his own, my friend. Premium is the smack daddy. It sure is, man. Sure is. I've done a few things in my life that I'm proud of, and building that Discord and doing this and creating these platforms is one of my proudest things I've ever done in my life. I have a few of them, and this is right there with them. the combination of everything, the community that's been built under my roof, the standard that I've put in place and made a must, the community that's rallied behind that, the information, the evolution of the content and the education, and I mean, just all of it, man. It's one of the things in my life that I am the most proud of. So I appreciate that more. Mm. Oh, I forgot. Power hour. I saw y'all type it in there, and I forgot. Ugh. Peter, I got you, Peter. I got your email, man. I'll get it out to you this weekend. You guys and gals that are reaching out wanting in premium, as long as you get me back the documents once I send the request next, after your request to get in and go through vetting, if you can get them back to me by end of day tomorrow, I'll try to get you this either this evening or tomorrow morning. And if you can get those documents to me by end of day tomorrow, we can get you in there by Monday morning. You'll be ready to go and be in there by Monday morning. What's up, Buddha? Congrats, brother. Congratulations. Hey, Graham, comma. Yeah, I can do that as soon as I'm done working, period. Do you want me to bring dinner over? Question mark. Travis. Got you, brother. Yep, got you, my friend. Got you. No problem, bro. No problem. Yep, thanks, Peter. No problem, man. We'll get y'all. Got any room in Discord? I think it's time I joined. Held off like a dummy too long. What's up, Joseph? Yeah, Joseph. Yep, like I just said, man, just send me an email, request that you're ready for vetting and that, and then I'll send you, because I gotta have a paper trail going back and forth for the IDs and stuff. So if you say you want in, you're ready for vetting, I'll send you the request for documents. Then you just send me copies or screenshots or pictures or whatever of them, and then like I said to the rest of the other guys and gals, I'll try to get it out to you. If you send me the email request, I'll try to get it out to you this weekend, like tonight or tomorrow, probably tomorrow morning. But if you can get it back to me, get the documents back to me by like end of day tomorrow, I should be able to get you the link, the approval and the link. That way you can be in by Monday morning. If you can get them back to me by like end of day tomorrow. But yep. You don't have to. I made a pot of homemade vegetable soup. I can have that. You're welcome to come in and have some of it. Has no salt. I know that. Can't have salt, Graham. Okay, no worries. I'll come up when I get there. Okay. All right. All right, all right, all right. Only make it only go to 23 out. Hell yeah, Buddha. Congrats, brother. That's good shit, man. Okay, Joseph. What's up, Goob? Crazy, bro. These SPY puts are up over 1,200%. Goob. Thank you, Jay. Yeah, she's hanging in there, man. I know, isn't it, Goob? Dead on, bro. Absolutely fucking dead on. Unreal, too. Outdoor, it depends. This new method, are you referring to the video last night, or are you referring to what I've normally done? Because there's two different ways of doing it, and the one that I put the video out on last night is different than what I've done for months and months and months and months. But the way I normally do it is I identify an indicator structure that I've seen. It's a repetitive pattern that it plays that shows me where the next snake could potentially be coming from. And then it normally ends up clipping at 11 a.m. that morning until market end, 4 p.m. that day. And that's what I end up stretching and using as the snake. However, this new method that I'm exploring and looking into and presented in the video last night and showed you all, that's been like this one here. This method here that I did that video last night on is just from market open to market close. And you do the day previous and put it on the upcoming day. But the problem with that method is, right now, this one, is you don't know what it's going to be next. It could be straight, it could be flipped, it could be mirrored. And I'm trying to map this out. I already started working my way back. I'm going to keep back testing and try to come up with a pattern within that to be able to know which one's next. So that's my goal to have ready to go for Monday, hopefully. If there is one to have, that is. But in this method, you clip from market open to market close on the 5-minute chart. And on the other one, on the 5-minute chart as well, 11 a.m. to market close. It's a trade secret. I know, right? Yeah, I didn't get it, Goob, but yeah, it's up. My idea got it. I didn't get it. I sold mine early. I bought puts and I had green puts today, but I ended up selling at my price target, not wanting to give it back, and then it went for over 1,200%. It's fucking nuts. All right, Buddha, love you too, brother. Be safe, man. Congrats on the job, brother. That's good shit, man. Good to hear. Real good to hear. You and Rakan, man, that makes me happy. The two of y'all, bro. You and Rakan, and there was one other, man. The three of y'all were down on your luck, man, and having some rough times and homeless and no job, and look at y'all, bro. Rakan's opened 3 fucking businesses in the last couple months. Buddha's now up on his feet now, up off the ground and on his feet, rolling, and got a job paying what do you say, $23 an hour, dude. That's so good. That shit's so good to hear. God, that shit's good to hear, bro. Today is a straight day. Yeah, no doubt about it. It's a straight day. Yep. No doubt about it. Literally almost fucking candle for candle, bro. Look. And that's the 5-minute chart. That's insane. Really, really, really fucking accurate. Really, really accurate. But yeah, today's a straight day. Anybody playing the bounce? Yeah, right on candle. Yeah, it's nuts, bro. It's fucking nuts. Oh, somebody said, what'd you say? Mullen was running? Sorry, I'm not that interested in going through all these fucking tickers. It's Friday. I just want to fall back a little bit. Yeah, 9.22%. Goob, you're the man, bro. Dinner on me tonight. Tell Granny to save her veggie soup and take her out. Bro, thank you so much, man. Ah, you're the best, Goob. I appreciate that, man. I will. She said she made, you heard me saying, she said she made homemade veggie soup. I gotta go take her trash, get her trash cans and stuff. Thank you, brother. Much love, man. I hope you have a good weekend too, bro. Mullen is doing what it was told. Doing what it was told. Putting the W in. Trying to. It needs this breakout of 150, 151 here, like it's trying to do. If not, it'll start consolidating and probably roll over into this macro double-double. But yeah, it's moving a little bit. What else did you say? Piton? Yeah, they're all going to start popping. Piton, NVIDIA, DWAC still grinding. PLTR is popping a little bit. DraftKings popping a little bit. AMD popping a little bit. Yeah, they're all going to. Anybody get that bounce on SPY? Or AMC? I mean, AMC's been grinding, but anybody get this? Yeah, no, Goob. I took, you know, it was small, but I took it. You know, like we always say, man, green is green. I'm just trying to chip away at all the shit, you know. But thanks, brother. Yeah, man. Never nothing wrong with it. Just in hindsight, bro, when you're looking at a 1300% gainer that you had set up for yourself and you sold early and then it just absolutely fell off the face of the earth, and it's a little dagger-ish, you know what I mean? But it's all good. It's all good. Green is green. Green is green, brother. Jason, I'm not running a weekly on it right now. I'm trying this other method on it right now that I talked about in the video last night for AMC. I don't have a weekly snake on it right now. And I haven't clipped one. We diverted to the downside from the other one, so I haven't clipped a new one, and I started messing with this one because of how accurate it is. But this one here is just a daily one, and it won't give a weekly. It's just every day it would give the next day, and then that day it'll give the next day, and then that day it'll give the next day. Kind of like that. I'm going to clip another weekly one and try to keep up with those interchanging ones the best I can as well. But right now my chart is set up with all of these ones, like I talked about in the video last night. Because I'm going back through this, trying to figure these out. Trying to come up with the... pattern within that to know which one would be next. Like which way to apply it, whether it's flipped, mirrored, or straight. But yeah, I don't have a weekly on there right now. Cashed out on my spot puts 350%. Congrats, Satari. That's badass, bro. Congratulations. Same to you, Deplorable. I know you're into love our community. Yes, sir. I agree, Isla. I agree. Thanks, Goob. I appreciate that a lot, man. That just made my day, brother. For real, for real. That made my day. Thank you. Yep. You know it, Gambit. In on the bounce. Let's go, Lynn. Good luck. Me, that I was getting killed. I must have missed something, Martel. Cost, let's go, brother. Yeah, Goob, that's what it was. I've watched too many of them go, you know what I mean? So, and you know, you've been with me long enough, bro. It's hard for me to stay in a trade when I got everything else going on. So I start getting, I get some green, you know, get a little bit, boom, I take it, you know, and then I just try to rinse and repeat that. And it seems like anytime I try to do something different, like I did last Thursday on the live stream here, before the long weekend, I just screw myself and I end up losing thousands of dollars. It's just not worth it. So I'm really, really good at my scalping. Like I'm really, really, really fucking good at it. And as long as, but it's small gains, you know what I mean? In this scenario, because I have all this stuff going on. But if I just stick to that, I can chip away little by little by little. And like I said before, any little bit of money that I can add on to my days here, with all this working and everything, if I can add a couple $100 on to every day, dude, it makes the world of difference at the end of every week and every month. So I'm just learning to be happy with taking what it is that I can get. You know what I mean? It's been a learning experience for me because, you know, I'm trying to get gains like everybody else, but I'm limited in the way that I can approach it. So because of everything that I'm doing. So yeah, I agree. But I've watched too many of them go the other way, man. Fuck that. That's like trader rule number 1. Never let a green trade go red. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. If it's green and it goes back to red, get the fuck out of, you know what I mean? Like that's my MO. So thanks, Jason. Thanks, brother. Yeah, at least, Bogue. At least. Me either, bro. Me either. 130% on. Let's go, Andy. You had a hell of a good week. One more 400% day, and I'll be back at my initial AMC investment. Let's go, Jay. Congrats, brother. You've had a hell of a good week too, man. Green is green, Lynn. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, KB. Yep, that's the straight one from yesterday. Yep. Pretty crazy, right, KB? Chuck, please research algos for the lotto since you are knowing this. Powerball mega, please. I know. Yo, honest to God, Jason, my brother literally said something similar to me. He's like, dude, because my brain sees numbers and patterns and everything. That's just how my brain is. And he's like, bro, you really need, like, if we could get like a printout of the lottery numbers, like the pick 5 for like the last 10 years or something. If you were able to look at those, I bet you could figure out the algorithm within the like the numerical algorithm to be able to pretty much be able to say what the numbers are going to be. He's like, we should do that. You know, I'm like, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I get it though, brother. Yeah, thank you, man. I'll take that as a compliment. That would be badass though too, wouldn't it? If you could do that. Golly. Okay, Joseph, I got your email, brother. I got you, man. Good deal, brother. Good deal. Stay in the lane. You're the best at it. Thank you, Goob. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's my plan, brother. I say it all the time. I'm just going to stay in my lane and keep doing me, man. I'm just going to do what I do. I don't give a shit what no one else says or whatever. I know what I know what I have. I know what I'm doing works, you know? Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. Now that I've met Chuck, it's time for me to take from them. Yes, sir. Flipped, straight, mirrored, repeat. No, Randall, not necessarily. Not necessarily. No, it actually changed. And that's why in last night's video, I had a question mark beside mirror. 2 question marks beside mirror. Because I didn't know if what today was going to be. Today ended up being a straight. And then I went back a little further. And there's 2 different periods now where I have 2 straights in a row. So it's starting to look like a different sequence now. So I'm going to go back before I even say, I don't even want to say anymore. I'm going to put some work into it. I'm going to keep going back. I want to get a nice chunk of data from it to be able to see if it's legitimate or if it's just a fluke type thing. I want to see what the repetitive nature of all of it is for a big period of time. So my plan is to hopefully spend some time doing that this weekend and getting it somewhat nailed down if there is such a thing. However, real quick, if it were to go straight, and then the next one, because we're straight with a flipped in front of it, straight, flipped would be next. If it were to repeat, if that were to be the loop, what I just did, and that were to be the sequence cycle of it, flipped would be next, which means you would take today and flip it, which would mean it would be upside. And that's if that's the next one. So if that would be the next one by some chance, like that, something like that, maybe. Maybe, right? It could be any of them. I don't know yet for sure. But if it was flipped, and it wouldn't be right on there, it would be maybe out here somewhere. Let me see. It'd be out there like that. But we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you know. I'll have something hopefully in the update and prep video on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening that we can talk about. But damn, is that beautiful. It's really tight, really spot on. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Have to convert the numbers into a chart or graph, I'm sure. Yeah, something. Yep. You're welcome, Randall. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I know, Scrambled. Yeah, I agree. Never let a green trade go red. I will have to keep repeating that until it sticks. Best advice ever. Would have saved myself so much money. Thanks, Chuck. Of course, Ellie. It really is. It's one of those ones. It's really hard to do, though, Ellie. It sounds really simple, but when you're in, and you know this, you're speaking to it. But when you're in the moment and you're in a trade, and it's been green and it's pulling back and it goes red a little bit, your brain tells you and your greed tells you it's just pulling back. Just chill. It's going to go down or it's going to go up. It's just pulling back. Chill. But, you know, the idea behind that is, you know, if you've went green and it starts coming back and it's getting close to red, you know, and someone told me that a while ago, don't ever let a green trade go. If you're green, take green. Do not ever let one turn around and go red. The second you start allowing that to happen, it's kind of like people, right? People will treat you how you allow them to, type of thing, right? It's kind of the same thought process behind it. He said, if you start allowing trades to do that to you, even if it's just like, well, if you expand your stop loss area where you're like, you know what, 7%. If I go 7% red, I'm out. I don't care how much. I don't care if it's $2 or if it's $2,000. If it's 7%, I'm out. And if you start expanding that 10%, 12%, you know, blah, 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 blah. It's kind of the same thing. You open yourself up to a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. And before you know it, you're letting these things go and you're sitting with literally contracts that are absolutely worthless, that you've held on to, that have expired, worthless, where you had weeks to sell them and take a little bit of money back. But you know what I mean? And I've done that. I've done it. I did it. So, yes, ma'am. Good stuff, guys. New job for me today. Starting Monday. Can't wait to start flipping my checks. Well, what's left after bills and extreme gains family? Let's fucking go. Let's go, Zero. Congrats, brother. Good shit, man. Congratulations. Yeah, the computer generates the numbers on the ticket. Yep. Yeah, you could. You could, who said that? I'm not doing that. I feel like reality. I feel like that's the lazy way. You know what I mean? You stick 3 of them on there. Plus, you have the variable of it not being any of them really, which you're gonna have either way. But you could, like I did with this one today, and that's what I was talking about in Discord this morning. Realistically, if you wanted to be, you know, off the cuff about it and be lazy with it and not try to put anything together, and even if nothing comes together, you could still do that. You could clip it. You could have your flipped, your mirrored, and your straight all sitting there. Give it the first hour to play out, 2 hours to play out, to where you can get placement, and then play the rest of it if you wanted to. You could easily do that. I talked about that this morning as well. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to try to find some sort of, that's just how I am and what I do, you know, try to find some sort of pattern and sequencing and cycle within it so that I can predict or project which one's going to potentially be next based off of that historical data, which then I can preload the day before if I know, right? If I know Monday's going to be the flipped and we're going upside, if I knew that right now and I knew we were going to come back down in here, you know, I'll wait for this to pull back here and I'll load into it here at the end of the day, you know, the last half hour, if it does, or I would have loaded in here at the bottom, knowing that it's going to go. Or if it's going to double bottom, I'll wait for Monday. And you know what I mean? It gives you a little bit more leeway, I think, to do some more things rather than just kind of waiting and trying to match it up. Because here's another thing I'll tell you. When you start doing comparatives, when you're doing fractal comparatives, macro comparatives, micro comparatives, you're going to see when you start doing it that you can take one of them and you can put this thing in 4 different places on here, and it'll give you 3 different places that it'll move up, and you know that this is it, right? You know this is it. But you can put this in 3 different places to where these checkups and then this bottom ultimately happens somewhere else, and you can be off the whole way through it. And you have to constantly adjust it to get it where it wants to go. So you may end up trying to play on it and end up screwing yourself. So, I mean, you're going to have to do that anyways, but you're going to see when you start doing that with these things, that you're going to have multiple placements with one of them that it could be and be right or wrong. And that's what makes it tough sometimes. But yeah, I'm going to try to dig into it and see what I can find. I think that would benefit me, and the information could benefit everybody else a little better. Having some, I just think it creates a tool that way and not a scramble. You know what I mean? That's just my thoughts on it. Boom, 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 boom. 100% profit or nothing. Oh, I don't know, Alex. I don't know. I know, Goob. It's ridiculous. It really is, bro. I'm impressed as well, my friend. I've been looking at it all day thinking, wow, dude, this shit is legit. I mean, it's literally almost candle for candle. Literally. Bed Bath & Beyond, up 10%. Oh, yeah, big old boomer. Big old boom, boom candle. Now, see, I don't think that would have worked on here. Yeah, I think it might have actually. Nah, not the best, but yes, sir. One big old candle. That's pretty looking, isn't it? Oh, did they hold it? Okay. That's why it's not moving. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. It's hard to tell, Jason. It really is. Zio, where'd you go? Didn't you just write a review? Zio, what you doing, man? All right, what time is it? 20 minutes. T-minus 20 minutes, y'all. Chuck, it is a new tool. Ideas are amazing. Thanks for being who you are and digging into the sequencing for all of us. The results should be interesting on your Sunday update. Thank you, Isla. Sounds like they had interest from a buyer. Yeah. Weevil won't let me play. Was going to try for a $16 put. That's weird. Buyers stepping in. Yeah. Is it now in a free fall? Yeah, 3%. It caught itself, though. When you were doing your video, I got chills how correct those algos were. Crazy and disgusting at the same time for manipulation. SEC doesn't care about any of us. Apparition, yeah, man, I was pretty jacked up myself. And Apparition, you're the third person, bro. No joke. You're the third person that has said to me that they got chills when I did that. Literally those words verbatim. You're the third person today that has said that. They said, dude, I literally got fucking goosebumps and chills watching you put that video out last night. And I tried to stay calm. I put a video out a while back when I broke into the micro leads macro, the snake algo and micro leads macro. And I called it endgame. And I was so pumped up because I had been working for like 10 months trying to get this shit, or almost a year, really. It was about a year trying to figure all of it out. And I finally put the puzzle pieces together. And I was just as excited last night when I was finding this. And it wasn't so much when I was finding it. It was when I saw that there was a pattern within it. That's when I started getting amped up. And I'm like, dude, I got to make this video and I got to stay cool. So I tried to stay cool, but yeah, man, you're the third person today. Hey, Chuck, I tried the fractal method, the snake method, extreme gain snake method. I'm fucking with you, Ivan. On SPY today. Today was a straight day for it from yesterday. Yes, sir, I know. Yep. I know I already did, brother. I checked it out. Yep. Made 500% gains today on puts because of you. God bless. Let's go, Ivan. Congratulations, brother. Yeah, I'm aware, brother. I did it on SPY, on DraftKings, a couple more. Also, real quick, just you guys know that the snake that I've had on here, I posted it on Twitter. This snake that's been on here, the yellow one, has been projecting and fulfilling now for 3 weeks. This yellow one. This one here was, here, look. This one here was the last one. Damn it. Right here. It projected and fulfilled for 2 weeks. And now this one here has projected and fulfilled for 3 whole weeks as of today. And it was calling for downside today as well. It needs squeezed in a little bit here, or extended here like that. And it called for the downside as well. But 3 weeks now, this one's been fulfilling. And I had this macro comparative up as well, running right with it. And that was the projection from both snakes today. Wham! Last 2 days. Wham! But just so you all know, those I've been showing them too. But yeah, DraftKings, it was the same way today. A bunch of them were. But thanks for letting me know, brother. And congratulations, 500%. Holy shit, dude. That's ridiculous, bro. That's ridiculous. Honest to God, that's ridiculous. And God bless you too, brother. $500%. That's a squeeze, y'all. 500%. He just created a squeeze for himself today. 500% today. He created a squeeze. This shit happens every day. I'm telling y'all. Telling y'all. I've had two scalp ideas go for over 800. One went for over, the one today 1300%, 1200%. The other one 830, and another one for 800 this week. Crazy. Every day, this shit happens every day. I mean, look at the AMC one right now. Just freaking crazy. It really is, bro. I agree, Apparition. I couldn't agree more, bro. I'm impressed as well. It's nice and tight. It's spot on. I mean, it's almost absurd, to be honest. Look, this is the 5-minute chart for today. That's absurd. It's absurd. I mean, it's legit almost candle for candle. Crazy. Awesome, Ivan. Yeah, man. Good deal, brother. It's pretty badass shit, for sure. Same here, being able to look at the last day and know what it's going to do exactly. What's stopping 90% accuracy plus. I couldn't agree more. Yep. Last night's video and the endgame video are equals in value. Appreciate that, man. The Epiphany videos. Yep. And AMC usually pops after BBBBY, right? I thought it always has. Yeah, most of the time. Yep, it does. Yep. Still going. Yeah, no joke, Chuck. I did it on cost too and got a 78% on that one. Look at that, bro. Congrats, dude. That's awesome, man. It is absurd. It really is. It really, really is. That's as fucking accurate as you're going to get with anything. Period. As a matter of fact, I don't even know anything else that can get you this much accuracy. Like, not like this. I mean, you can see, you know, there's always these variables, and there are in this as well. And I haven't even worked this out yet. Wait till I dig into this for real. And I started to, but I haven't really, but I got it to enough that I was willing to share a little bit of it on here. But if I can nail this fucking thing down, I mean, this is absurd. Now, the only issue with it is you only get to know the next day. The next day. That's it. The next day. It's not 3 days out, 2 days out. It's the next day. So that's the only downside to it. But if I can nail this down to a pattern and a sequencing of this cycle of it, my Lord, bro. I mean, shit, I'm cool with that. I don't care if it's next day. I can change my life with that. Like, and like if it's 90+% accurate, or if we have 1 out of every 10 that's not, you know, whatever. But yeah, to have it be that tight, that precise, that accurate, is pretty amazing. It really is. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Thanks, I got out of SPY, just lose $100. Oh, off that bounce. Okay, good deal, Martel. I keep talking about you, Chuck, on Twitter, but I guess it gets lost in the toxic mess of Twitter. Yeah, they have me suppressed so bad, Ivan, it's unreal. But I appreciate it, bro. The community's been trying. I know a bunch of people just recently in the community have been trying to rally behind what it is, behind me, behind what I'm doing, behind what I've done, behind the community, all of it. You know, it's deserving. It really is. And it's cool to see y'all like you, Ivan, do that for, you know, for me and for us. And I appreciate that, man. I appreciate y'all keeping forging through that shit. That's what I have to do every day. I have to keep blowing through all the bullshit to keep being able to do this. So if y'all are out there doing that kind of stuff, I greatly appreciate that, man. Exactly what I said. Follow Chuck. It's moons every day. Yeah, man. Let's go. Oh, I lost it. I fucking hate this feature with this, man. Alright. I can see how just laying all three out could be confusing because they also need to be stretched and condensed. Yep. And you only have 163 people in the stream. What the fuck? Yeah. Apparition. My numbers have just gone down. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. They have me suppressed. There's no other reason. Like, they don't want a mass amount of people knowing this shit. The only people that come here are people that manually come look for me and just trickle in. That's it. Those are the only people that come here. It's never, you know, it's how it's been. It's just how it's been. Chuck to the third. Yes, sir. They let AMC run a bit. Like we don't have to market close to mess over the options. Yep. Yeah, but that's all you need to know. Yep. Today's gains 14% on AMC, 500% on SPY, 150% on SPY, 100% on SPY, and a couple small losses. Koss, let's go, brother. Congratulations, man. Shit. I do. You're right, Levitz. I have the macro comparatives and stuff to look out further. And I'm still going to be pulling like the interchanging weekly ones as well. I'm still going to keep doing that as well. Yep. Look at this shit. Turned right back around. This is crazy. They're up 1,400%. 1,400%. All right, I got to get the rest of these real quick before market closes because Friday I always lose them. AMD just triggered downside again. It was only that upside. Oh, DraftKings, I got it. PLTR, I got it. I need to mark that because I did get it. DWAC, I got it. Only that 22%er. NVIDIA, the 195s. Uh, 30, 50, 60, 60. Peloton, I got it. And Uber, I got it. All right. Look at that, right back down to my target that I put in there for you. Martin, I got you, brother. I got you, man. I got your email. I'll get that out to you, bro. This shit's wild. SPY's wild. T minus 7 minutes, y'all. T minus 7 minutes. Use that. With that accuracy, it could mean no more day job in a few months. I couldn't agree more, Boom. That's exactly what my head's thinking too, bro. If it's gonna be this accurate, dude, me personally, I mean, I'm still gonna, you know, but yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. Yeah. Ridiculous. What's up, Semper? Thank you, Box Tops. I appreciate you, brother. You too, Sungrown. Mrs. Box Tops. Just took a snap of that snake and tweeted a shout out to you. Thank you, Apparition. I appreciate that, bro. But I also think a lot of new investors aren't attracted to your channel because it's not clickbait and full of entertainment. Yep. It's bare nuts and bolts with great accuracy. Keep it up. Thank you, Logan. I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate that. Oh, yo, big guy. Do you have a DWAC chart? I do. What's happening, Ryan? All I did with this macro was move it. This is the one we had up here, and we diverted because there's an upside move and a downside move, same one. And I just moved it, assuming that it's going to make an upside move, I would hope, to some extent. But if it continues to follow this, then it's going to be downside. But that's what I have for that and box top. But box top blew out. It's got to put this W in at some point here to make its move back up to the macro third. But that's where it's sitting. This is the fractal here. It happens here, and then it goes upside. That's the one I'm using here. And then it happens here, and it goes downside, and it happens here again, and goes downside again. So I'm assuming that potentially we're going to get the upside one, but to get that, it's going to have to go downside even more. So we'll see what happens with it. But it broke the megaphone support yesterday. I want to see if they dump SPY and everything out here. Yep, even further. Right down to my target, man. This is fucking crazy. 1,800. The 429s are up 1,900% right now. 1,900% right now. And mine are up. My 435s are up 1,400%. It's fucking crazy. Crazy. People are just looking for hopium. They can't accept the facts if it's not skyrocketing projection. Couldn't agree more. Trickle down economics. Yeah. Yeah. Organic growth, right? That's what they'll tell me. It's organic growth. I have over 14,000 followers on Instagram, and I just show my Jeeps. You do this amazing shit that can change lives and no one watches. It's wild, isn't it, brother? You're preaching to the choir when you're telling me, man. I've been to the ends of the earth and back with my frustration over it, with as much work as I put in and trying to do all this and just provide some sort of value to people. And man, when I get nothing but hate and backlash and suppressed like I know I have, you know, it tells me a couple things. But yeah, bro, I feel you, man. That's how I've felt many, many a times. T-minus 2 minutes, y'all. T-minus 2 minutes. Anyone else wonder where Chuck has been all of our lives with this talent? Thank you, Tess. Spy moves feels like spy moves. AMC did. Let's put more money. A customer of mine. 1 minute. A customer of mine put me onto this channel and is helping me understand the reality. The accuracy is crazy. I'm trying to get out even without losing and then learn options correct. Absolutely, David. I appreciate you being here, man. Whoever it is, tell them I said thank you for that. And welcome, brother. I'm glad you're here, man. 2,300%. Get the F out of here, bro. 5, 23, 22. So 22, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. 19, the 1900%. The 431s are up 2400%. 2400%. My 435 setup right here, and right here's the setup for today that I had. I had my downside trigger was right here at 436. Bang. 1900%. Right there it is. Live and true. Ask the Discord. This has been the setup all day. 1900%. That's what you would have netted had you entered this thing at the trigger and just got out down here before close. 1900%. That is fucking insanity. That's insanity. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, Justin, I got thousands of people that are following the channel and that watch the videos and stuff, but they're just weird that there's only, you know, a couple hundred, 200, 250 that come here every day. But I have thousands, for sure. But yeah, at least, right? 250, maybe 300 that come here every day when I do the live streams, are the everyday community. Yeah, that, for sure. My scalps, Devin, I play weekly expirations. Whatever week I'm in, that's the expiration I'm playing. Yep, lottos today. Yep. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they're still up 2400%. Mine's 1900, but man, I wish I was in there. I could have used 1900%. We all could have, brother. I'm 3 months away from losing my house because of AMC. Damn, bro. Damn. Yep, 2300% per contract. Yep. I have a feeling you'll be over 6K followers by Monday. Yeah, that's because I'm right there. We'll see. We'll see. Either way. All right, y'all. Real quick, if there's any audio listeners, AMC finished today down 1.96%. GME down 2.36. SPY down 2.76. IWM down 2.5. BBIG down 3.85. What a day. What a day. Congratulations, everybody. Everybody that made gains. My God. Congrats, congrats, congrats. What a day. What a day. What a day. Thank you all for everything. Who do we got here? John. John, I got your email, brother. I got you, man. I'll send it out to you. Real quick, a donation shout out. Goob, you are the one and only, my friend. Thank you for that, Goob. You made my day, brother. I appreciate you sending that donation, my friend. Retweet shout outs real quick, because I always do this because I appreciate all y'all. Apparition, I appreciate that, man. Isla, as always, I appreciate that. You're always out there banging away, Isla. I appreciate that a lot. Chuck's Vape, Matthew, thank you. 85, Tone, thank you. Jose, thank you. Isla, thank you. That was all from the video. Roberto for the live stream, thank you, brother. And And that's it. 2 retweets on the live stream. 2 people retweeted the live stream. Isla and Roberto, thank y'all. Thank both y'all. I appreciate it. All right, y'all. That's all I got, man. What a week. What a week. What a week. Congratulations to everybody. Unbelievable, unbelievable week. Have a great, great, great weekend. I will get an update. I'm going to dig into this and try to get some sort of pattern and sequencing knocked out with this thing, so we know, or so I know which way to flip them, whether it's an invert, whether it's a mirror, whether it's a flip, whatever, if it's straight up, whatever. I'm going to try to get that locked in somehow. Man, these just went up another 100%. They're up 2,000% right now. The 435s. Unreal. But I'll get that video out on Sunday. Sunday afternoon, whatever. If y'all are out in social media land this weekend, anything that y'all share and all that stuff, I appreciate it greatly. All the shout outs and stuff, I thank y'all. It means a lot. So thank you all very, very, very much. And yeah, mods, thank you all for this week. Great week. Thank you guys and gals. Appreciate it. So, all right, y'all. Have a good weekend. I will talk to you all in the update and prep video on Sunday afternoon.